Hi, and welcome to our online class in strategic writing. I'm Professor Sherry Miles, and I'm going to take you briefly through our syllabus. To begin, you can find me in the Communication Studies Department on campus Mondays and Wednesdays from 10 to 11, or we could have office hours online Mondays and Wednesdays from 4 to 6. That can be held through Google Hangout, or through Adobe Connect, or through Skype for Business. When you email me, please put COM312-W01 or W02 in your subject line, as that helps me to really quickly sort the emails that come into my inbox. Our textbook is Strategic Writing, Multimedia Writing for Public Relations, Advertising, and more. We do use this book extensively throughout the course, so you will need to purchase it. However, I've used it for the last couple of semesters, so you should be able to get your hands on a used copy. As you're waiting for your copy to arrive, if you've ordered it, you can still do the work during the first couple of weeks of class, because I have scanned the pages in chapters 1 and 2 so that you have the material that you need right away. If you download the syllabus as a Word document from Blackboard, this is a live table of contents, so you could quickly navigate to the section that you're looking for. Okay, I want to go a little bit over this netiquette section. As we do a lot of discussion forums in this class, they do take the place of any kind of interpersonal dialogue, because we don't actually see each other. So it's very important that you think about the tone and then the manner in which you approach your discussion board postings. You want to always be positive, you want to be gracious, you want to be friendly, and you want to be supportive of each other, okay? And that's going to make a really big difference in how your words are received by others and how it feels to actually communicate with each other in this format. I'll go over the grading in just a moment. So here's our course assignments. So for 20% of your grade, you will be scored on participation, your journal that you keep at different times throughout the course, and the discussion boards, which are about every other week in the class. So we follow a pattern in this class, which will make it easy for you to think about what to expect and when. Our discussion boards follow a Monday, Thursday, Sunday pattern. What this means is that I will post discussion board prompts on Mondays throughout the semester based on what we're going to be talking about that week. You're going to respond to these prompts with an initial post of 250 to 500 words by 11:59 p.m. on Thursdays, and then respond to 2 of your classmates' posts by 11:59 p.m. on Sundays. Okay, so that's basically the pattern that we follow throughout the entire semester. I will post a prompt Monday, you'll respond to it by Thursday night, and you're going to look through your classmates' posts and pick 2 at a minimum that you will respond to by 11:59 on Sunday night. The earlier in the week that you post a response, the greater the benefit to the class, as other students will see your comment and build on them. If you do not make your initial post by the Thursday deadline, you will be considered absent for that week and will receive a 0 for that assignment. This is how the discussion boards are used to grade participation. Okay. I will not be responding to everything, but I will participate frequently. The reason for this is because I want to encourage your own interactions with each other, so that there's a lot of student-to-student discussion, as well as instructor and student discussions. Homework assignments include research, quizzes, surveys, lessons that help you develop specific skills. These assignments vary week to week. and will always be relevant to the learning objective of that week. The writing assignments that we're going to be doing include a newsletter article, a brochure, a print ad, fundraising letter, and website content. These assignments you will be working on together with your group members. And I'll talk more about that group project soon. Okay, the client kit is that group project. The final is 20% of your grade. The entire kit will have a package appearance with a cover page, table of contents, and the final versions of all of those documents you've created throughout the semester. And then finally, at the end of the class, an individual assignment worth 5% of your grade about what did you learn, what was most helpful to you, what were the transformative moments for you during the class, how have your views of strategic writing changed, and so on. Okay, our typical week. Similar to the discussion board pattern, we have a Monday to Sunday week. So every week I will send out an announcement on Monday, and that is going to be outlining what we're talking about that week, what our goals are, what we're working on, what you need to be paying attention to. And it will also point you to the folder that you need to be looking at for that week. So in a typical online week, you will read the Monday announcement, okay? You will do the chapter readings early in the week, okay? Because again, if you need to refer to those for your discussion board posts, which are due on Thursday nights, you want to read those chapter materials early enough so that you have the concepts in mind as you approach the assignments. Post the discussion boards by Thursdays and Sundays. Okay, we talked about that. And submit any assignments, homework or written assignments by Sunday at midnight. So that is our typical week, a Monday to Sunday week. Monday to begin what's happening that week and what's due, and Sunday night everything should be wrapped up for that particular week. We have a course schedule. This is posted for you on Blackboard, and this takes you through everything that we're going to be doing and the order. We may have to make some adjustments as the semester goes along, but this all spelled out for you at least so far, okay? And at the end here, this is the participation rubric for your discussion board posts. And I would like you to familiarize yourself with it so you can understand what I'm looking for, how you can get a good grade, what to avoid to not get a poor grade, and basically how you can actually shape and write your discussion board posts to be the most meaningful and effective that they can be. And that's it. So if you have any questions, please do get in touch with me. I'm happy to answer anything. If I've not gone over something carefully enough, I'm happy to go over it in more detail with you. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the boards.